The only thing you do is that your target is to make it look like y is equal to mx plus c. Nti m no stand the coefficient of x no and a gradient na all can ho asem. Nti for example, we say you have to rewrite it to look like making y the subject. Nti 3y is equal to, let's say, let's move this one, the 6x, so minus 6x plus 12. Now you want to make y the subject, so you divide both sides by 3 like this. So now y cancel y, so y is equal to 3 cancel 6, you get minus 2x plus 3 cancel 4, 12, you get 4, so plus 4. So here the gradient is the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. So gradient is equal to negative 2. So let's look at the second one. Now this one you have to rewrite it. So now this one we are lucky the y is already at one side, so you can divide both sides by 4. So 4 can cancel 4. You have y is equal to 2 go here 1, 2 go here 2. So have 1 over 2x minus 3 over 4. So here the coefficient of x is half. So gradient is 1 over 2. Then when you come to this one too, the same thing. Make y the subject. So minus 4y is equal to, let's move this and this to the other side. So I'm going to have minus 12x then plus 3. So we have divide both sides by negative 4. So this cancel that. So y is equal to negative cancel negative. 4 going to 12, 3. So 3x minus 3 over 4. So we have gradient is equal to 3. Let's look at the other one. Now this one is a fraction. So the first thing that you do is that you clear the fraction. You clear every fraction here. So let's multiply through by, let's say, 12, which is the LCM. 4 and 3 is 12. So have 12 times 1 over 4, that's minus 12 times 1 over 3y, then 1 times 12. Then here you can see that we can cancel 4 going to 12, 3. So have 3x. Then here 3 going to 12, 4. So you have 4y is equal to 12. Let's make y the subject. So minus 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. Then you have divide both sides by negative 4, negative 4, negative 4. So you have this cancel that. So you have y is equal to, negative will cancel. You have 3 over 4x. Then 4 going to 3 minus 4 going to 12 minus 3. So our gradient is the coefficient of x, which is 3 over 4. Now let's take the last one. You see, this one is also a fraction, so you clear the fraction. So we can multiply through by 5. So 5 times 1 over 5y is equal to 5 times 3x plus 5 times 5. So you have 5 cancel 5. You have y here. 3 times 5 is 15x. Then plus 5, 5, 25. So here the gradient is the coefficient of x, which is 15. 15. So that is it. So that's how the question. So anytime you are asked to find a gradient given this equation, this is the process. You have to represent it like this and make the y the subject.